Hello, Dennis here. Have you ever wondered what is a private hard money loan? Well, let me explain. A hard money loan is a secured loan from a lender to a borrower and is backed by a hard asset. This is not like a traditional loan. With a traditional loan, a lender makes a loan to the borrower, and in return the lender receives a promise to pay from the borrower that states the borrower promises to pay back the loan based on the prearranged terms. Some lenders don't like promises. Some lenders want more because unfortunately not all borrowers keep to their promises. In those cases, what the lender wants is additional security from the borrower, just in case they don't make the payments, something put up as collateral that the lender gets to keep if the borrower is not able to keep their promise. That is something called a hard asset. A hard asset is something that you can't touch and see, and if the borrower does not make the repayments, the lender takes it from the borrower and keeps it, and the borrower loses the asset. In real estate, a hard asset is secured using a legal document called a deed of trust, and is usually a home or some other type of real estate, but can also be anything of value such as gold, diamonds, motorhome, or anything the lender will take as security of the loan. That is why it's called a secured loan, and if the borrower fails to make the payments, the lender keeps the asset. If you're looking for a hard money loan on real estate, see us at www.level4funding.com or give us a call at 623 5824